if this certain things pops up in your window, you close it and again it will pop up, right? So we can find any solution that will perfectly solve this problem. So for that we have to you know follow these 3 steps. Actually, by following one step, sometimes it's fixed, but sometimes it's again pop up in your screen. That's why if we follow all these steps, and you'll have a permanent solution of this problem. Okay, so the first step, you don't have to type everything, just watch this video and you will find these steps in my description box. Okay, from that you can just copy and paste and you can solve this problem. So the first step is to follow the first step. You find here, you can type here run. Okay, from run, the first thing you have to type is services.msc. okay, when it will come, we have to find out Windows section. Okay, here Windows license. You see Windows license manager, double click here, and you see there is startup type option. From here you have to select disable. Actually, I have previously selected this, that's why it's showing that it's disable. Otherwise it would be like automatic or manual. So when you will be trying this for the first time, you'll find it here at automatic or manual. Okay, so you'll have to select disable, then you'll have to select apply, then okay. After doing this, then go below and find Windows update. Okay, here you see Windows update, double click here. Same thing in startup type, you have to select disable. Okay, now apply. Okay, so our first step is done. Now step 2, for step 2, go again to run option. So from there just copy this. Okay, this section, copy this and paste it here. So I have previously selected, that's why I won't have to copy it again. Go there. So we can follow these steps. Okay, so at first we have to find out administrative templates. Here you see administrative templates. From administrative templates we'll have to select Windows components. So let's find out Windows components. Okay, here Windows component, double click here. So from Windows components we have to find out Windows update. So where Windows update, let's find out Windows update. Okay, double clicking here, and then we'll have to select no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic update installation. Let's find out that no auto restart with logged on users for automated. So here double clicking, you get here not configured, we have to select enabled. Okay, then apply and okay. So we are done with our second step. Now third step, so we can press Windows plus X. Okay, so Windows plus X, if we select it, we get this in the left side. So from there we have to find out command prompt admin. So you see there is not similar, maybe in your computer it will be showing command prompt admin. In my computer is showing Windows PowerShell admin, same. So select this. Okay, so say yes, press yes. We get this. Okay, so here what you have to do, we have to copy this section. Okay, comment slmgr space hyphen this rearm. So copy this, and then we have to paste it here. After pasting, press enter. Okay, once you press enter, so you're done. Now what you have to do, that we are done with all the steps. Now we need to restart the computer. Once we restart the computer, I'm sure that that particular segment will never face again, that your Windows license will expire soon. It will not pop up in your Windows again. Okay, so I think it's clear what you have to do. Just follow the steps and find these steps from my description box, and try to follow the steps, every steps after one after another, and fix this problem. For now, bye bye.